Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix ChatGPT app responding slowly on iPhone. So firstly you're gonna check your internet connection. You have to see that your internet connection is stable or not. Sometimes if your internet connection is not stable, then your ChatGPT will not respond timely. So you have to click on you can check your internet. You have to go to a browser and right here any website, and you have to see that if your browser entered that website and loaded full thing or not. Okay, now after that, if your internet connection is still good but your ChatGPT responding is slow, then you have to go to the next step. The next step is you have to click on go to update ChatGPT. So how you can update this? You have to click on this app store, go to app store and right here ChatGPT. Then you'll find here this ChatGPT option, which is now open option. But if you want to update this, if you have any update available, you'll find here the update option here instead of open. Okay, so you have to update it from here. If it's still not working, if it's still the issues, then you have to go to the very next step and the last solution, which is you have to go to settings from your iPhone, then go to general. Now go to iPhone storage. Now you have to find here ChatGPT. You can see here this ChatGPT. You have to click on this and you'll find here offload application. Click on offload and you have to click on offload app again. After click on offload app, you have to reinstall your application from here like this. You have to click on offload and then you'll find here offload install instead of offload app. Okay, then you have to click on install again. So after install, I hope that your issues will be fixed. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.